The US has long held a fascination for cutting-edge military technology, pushing the envelope of aeronautics to deliver faster, more lethal, and more advanced aircraft. The SR-71 Blackbird, one of the most iconic spy planes in history, was a testament to the country's determination to maintain aerial superiority. Now, in the era of hypersonic flight, the US is on the cusp of unveiling its latest top-secret aircraft, the SR-72. With rumors of its existence swirling for years, it appears that the time has finally come for the truth to be revealed. In this video, we will delve into the SR-72's development, capabilities, and potential impact on modern warfare. When the SR-71 Blackbird was introduced in the 1960s, it revolutionized aerial reconnaissance with its unmatched speed and high-altitude capabilities. Traveling at speeds of over Mach 3, the Blackbird could outpace any threat, from enemy fighters to surface-to-air missiles. However, as technology evolved, the need for an even faster aircraft became apparent. Enter hypersonic flight. Hypersonic speeds are classified as those exceeding Mach 5, or 5 times the speed of sound. The SR-72, with an anticipated top speed of Mach 6, would be a game-changer, allowing the US to maintain aerial dominance and gather intelligence faster than ever before. With other nations such as China and Russia also developing hypersonic weapons, the race is on for the US to maintain its technological edge. The development of the SR-72 is shrouded in secrecy. While there have been hints and whispers about the aircraft's existence for years, there is little concrete information available. What we do know is that the SR-72 is a product of the storied Lockheed Martin Skunk Works, the same secretive division that developed the SR-71 Blackbird, the F-117 Nighthawk stealth fighter, and the F-22 Raptor. It is believed that the SR-72's development began in the early 2000s, with Lockheed Martin working on a hypersonic reconnaissance platform to replace the SR-71. The project remained under wraps until 2013, when Lockheed officially unveiled the SR-72 concept. Details of the aircraft's design, propulsion, and capabilities have been scarce, but the tidbits that have emerged paint a tantalizing picture of a game-changing war machine. The SR-72 is a technological marvel, incorporating advanced materials, cutting-edge design principles, and innovative propulsion systems. The aircraft's sleek, streamlined shape is designed to minimize drag and optimize its hypersonic performance. To withstand the intense heat generated at such high speeds, the SR-72 is constructed from advanced heat-resistant materials, possibly including carbon-carbon composites and ceramic matrix composites. The SR-72's propulsion system is one of its most remarkable features. The aircraft is believed to use a combined-cycle engine, which merges a supersonic combustion ramjet, scramjet, with a traditional turbojet engine. The turbojet would provide thrust at lower speeds, while the scramjet would take over at hypersonic velocities. This revolutionary propulsion system would allow the SR-72 to achieve speeds of up to Mach 6, covering vast distances in mere minutes. The primary mission of the SR-72 is to gather intelligence, conduct surveillance, and perform reconnaissance, ISR, in contested airspace. Its Mach 6 speed and high-altitude capabilities would enable the aircraft to evade enemy detection and engage targets before they have a chance to react. The SR-72 would likely be equipped with a suite of advanced sensors, including high-resolution cameras, synthetic aperture radar, SR, and signals intelligence, SIGINT equipment. These sensors would allow the aircraft to collect detailed imagery, map terrain, and monitor enemy communications and electronic emissions, providing valuable information to military planners and decision-makers. The ability to rapidly gather and disseminate information from the SR-72 would be critical to its success. Advanced data links and satellite communication systems would ensure that the aircraft could transmit intelligence to ground stations, other aircraft, and even troops on the ground in near real time, giving U.S. forces a significant advantage in situational awareness. The SR-72's far-reaching implications for modern warfare stem from its hypersonic speed and advanced ISR capabilities, which would provide the U.S. with a decisive edge in any conflict. These qualities enable the aircraft to gather intelligence, assess threats, and strike targets with unparalleled speed and precision, redefining the battlefield of the future. The SR-72's introduction will likely ignite a new era in the arms race, as other nations strive to develop their own hypersonic platforms to counter the US's technological advantage. This could lead to a proliferation of hypersonic weapons and aircraft, raising the stakes in an already tense global security environment. The increased focus on hypersonic technology may result in an accelerated development of countermeasures, such as advanced missile defense systems and electronic warfare capabilities. As the world's military powers vie for dominance in the hypersonic realm, we can expect to see an increase in research and development funding for these technologies. This competition could potentially lead to breakthroughs in materials science, propulsion systems, and sensor technology, changing the face of modern warfare. The SR-72's capabilities could have significant implications for arms control and non-proliferation efforts. The aircraft's ability to gather intelligence on weapons development and deployment would be invaluable in monitoring and enforcing international agreements. For example, the SR-72 could be instrumental in verifying compliance with nuclear arms reduction treaties, ensuring that nations are adhering to their commitments. However, the SR-72 could also potentially be used to circumvent such agreements by providing the U.S. with the ability to conduct covert high-speed strikes. This dual-use nature of the SR-72 may complicate arms control negotiations and further strain diplomatic relations between nations. The SR-72's hypersonic capabilities could alter the dynamics of strategic deterrence and stability between nations. With the ability to strike targets at unprecedented speeds, the SR-72 may force adversaries to reconsider their own defense strategies, placing a greater emphasis on early warning systems, rapid response forces, and hardened infrastructure. This shift in focus could potentially lead to a more volatile and reactive security environment, increasing the risk of unintended escalation during times of crisis. The SR-72's impact on modern warfare is multifaceted and far-reaching. Its hypersonic speed and ISR capabilities would undoubtedly provide the U.S. with a significant advantage in any conflict. However, the introduction of the SR-72 also heralds a new era in the arms race and poses challenges for arms control and strategic stability. As the world's military powers adapt to this new reality, the SR-72's influence on the future of warfare will become increasingly apparent. With the SR-72's existence no longer in doubt, the world eagerly awaits its official unveiling. While much remains unknown about the aircraft, its potential capabilities have captured the imagination of military enthusiasts and experts alike. The SR-72 represents a new frontier in aeronautics, and its introduction will mark a significant milestone in the development of hypersonic flight. The U.S. is poised to once again assert its dominance in the skies with the SR-72. As the aircraft readies for its debut, we can only speculate on its true capabilities and the impact it will have on the future of warfare. The SR-72's arrival heralds a new era of speed, stealth, and innovation, forever changing the landscape of aerial combat. The SR-72, with its groundbreaking hypersonic capabilities, promises to revolutionize aerial warfare and ISR operations. As the U.S. stands on the brink of revealing this top-secret aircraft, we can only marvel at the technological advancements that have been achieved in its development. The SR-72's debut will undoubtedly be a historic moment, and the world will be watching closely as this next-generation war machine takes to the skies, ready for action. In this new era of warfare, the SR-72 will not only redefine the way intelligence is gathered and disseminated, but will also challenge traditional notions of strategic deterrence and global security. As nations grapple with the implications of hypersonic flight and scramble to develop their own countermeasures, the SR-72 will serve as a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of technological superiority. As we anticipate the unveiling of the SR-72, it is essential to consider the broader implications of its deployment. The aircraft's capabilities will inevitably shape military strategies, alter the balance of power, and impact international relations. As the world witnesses this historic event, it is our collective responsibility to ensure that the power of the SR-72 is harnessed responsibly and in the pursuit of global peace and stability.